Promethazine is used to relieve cough, runny or stuffy nose, sneezing or other symptoms caused by allergies of the common cold. Promethazine is an antihistamine. It works by preventing the effects of a substance called histamine, which is produced by the body. Histamine can cause itching, sneezing, runny nose and watery eyes. It can sometimes close up the bronchial tubes, the air passages of the lungs, and make breathing difficult. Codeine belongs to a group of medicine called narcotic analgesics, pain medicines. It acts on the central nervous system to relieve pain. How to use. The dose of this medicine will be different for different patients. Follow your doctor's orders or the directions on the label. The following information includes only the average doses of this medicine. If your dose is different, do not change it unless your doctor tells you to do so. The amount of medicine that you take depends on the strength of the medicine. Also, the number of doses you take each day, the time allowed between doses, and the length of time you take the medicine depend on the medical problem for which you are using the medicine. For relief of symptoms caused by allergies of the common cold. For all dosage form, solution. Adults and children 12 years of age and older, 5 ml, 1 teaspoonful, every 4 to 6 hours. Don't take more than 30 ml in 24 hours. Children younger than 12 years of age, use is not recommended. For all dosage form, syrup. Adults and children 12 years of age and older, 5 ml, 1 teaspoonful every 4 to 6 hours. Don't take more than 30 ml in 24 hours. Children 6 to 11 years of age, 2.5 to 5 ml, 1/2 to 1 teaspoonful every 4 to 6 hours. Don't take more than 30 ml in 24 hours. Children younger than 6 years of age, use is not recommended. Contraindications. Hypersensitivity. Newborn premature infants less than 2 years old. Risk of potentially fatal respiratory depression. SC or intra-arterial administration. Treatment of lower respiratory tract symptoms including asthma. Precautions. If a condition does not improve or becomes worse, check with your doctor. This medicine may be habit-forming. If you feel that the medicine is not working as well, do not use more than your prescribed dose. Call your doctor for instructions. This medicine may cause some people to become dizzy, drowsy, or less alert than they are normally. Do not drive or do anything else that could be dangerous until you know how this medicine affects you. You may also feel lightheaded when getting up suddenly from a lying or sitting position, so stand up slowly. Promethazine may increase your risk of convulsions, seizures. It may also cause dystonia, movement disorder. This is more likely in sick children with diarrhea. Talk to a doctor if you have any concerns. Side effects. Drowsiness, dizziness, constipation, blurred vision, or dry mouth may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell a doctor. To relieve dry mouth, suck sugarless hard candy or ice chips, chew sugarless gum, drink water, or use a saliva substitute. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including fainting, slow heartbeat, mental mood changes such as hallucinations, nervousness, irritability, restlessness, confusion, unusual uncontrolled movements such as fixed upward stare, neck twisting, tongue movements, shaking, tremor, difficulty urinating, easy bleeding, bruising, signs of infection such as fever, persistent sore throat, severe stomach, abdominal pain, persistent nausea, vomiting, yellowing eyes, skin,